Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today, we're taking a close look at the best weather stripping for doors available on the market right now. I've personally tested 5 different sealing options that stop drafts in their tracks, keep bugs outside, and drastically reduce noise. Let's look at what makes each of these products stand out so you can choose the right one.
Product number 1. Grow Theory 2-Pack Door Draft Stopper. Starting off our list is the Grow Theory 2-Pack Door Draft Stopper. It's an incredibly effective silicone sweep designed specifically for the bottom of your exterior or interior doors. The triple layer design does a fantastic job of blocking out cold drafts, dirt, and unwanted noise from the street. Because it uses flexible silicone, it bends easily and won't scratch or damage your hard floors when you open and close the door. Installation is extremely straightforward. You simply measure the width of your door, trim the 39-inch strip to your exact size with regular scissors, peel off the backing, and stick it on using the strong adhesive. It works on wood, glass, and metal doors. This 2-pack offers incredible value if you need to seal multiple entryways to save money on your heating and cooling bills. It's a highly practical and durable solution for everyday use.
Product number 2. VITAM AMO Weather Stripping Seal Strip. Next, we have the VITAM AMO Weather Stripping Seal Strip. This 18-foot roll is made from premium EPDM rubber, which is highly resistant to freezing or cracking in extreme temperatures. What makes this specific seal unique is the specialized multi-hole design running through the center. These hollow chambers act as a shock absorber when the door closes, but more importantly, they're exceptionally good at deadening sound waves to give you a much quieter room. It features a heavy-duty self-adhesive backing that applies quickly to your door frame without needing any tools or nails. This strip is specifically engineered to cover larger gaps, anywhere from 5/16 to 15/32 of an inch. If your older home has significant spacing around the door frames that lets wind howl through, this thick and resilient rubber seal is exactly what you need to stop those leaks permanently and securely.
Product number 3. Litaby 40-Foot Kerf. Moving along, we have the Litaby 40-Foot Kerf V-shaped weather stripping. Unlike the adhesive strips we just looked at, this is a kerf-style seal, meaning it's designed for doors that already have a built-in slot or groove around the frame. You simply press the rigid flange into the slot for a secure, permanent hold. This product features a highly resilient foam core wrapped in a tough exterior liner. A major benefit of the Litaby seal is its dark gray inner foam, which completely blocks out sunlight that often bleeds through cheaper white foam alternatives. With 40 feet of material, you've got more than enough to fully reseal an entire door frame and still have extra left over. This is a remarkably durable, professional-grade option that withstands thousands of door closures while maintaining its shape, keeping your home perfectly insulated against severe weather conditions year-round. It's fantastic.
Product number 4. Open Fun Soundproofing Weather Stripping. For our fourth option, we're looking at the Open Fun 33-foot gray self-adhesive soundproofing weather stripping. This product takes a different approach by utilizing a high-density felt brush pile rather than rubber or foam. This dense plush material is exceptionally well suited for sliding glass doors, screen doors, and closet doors where a thick rubber seal might cause too much friction. The tightly packed bristles do a magnificent job of stopping wind, dust, and sand from blowing into your living space, while also dampening the harsh crashing sound of sliding doors hitting the frame. It comes on a generous 33-foot roll with a strong adhesive backing for quick installation. The felt is soft enough to glide smoothly, but dense enough to provide a serious barrier against the elements. If you need to seal sliding tracks or uneven gaps without restricting movement, this felt strip works perfectly.
Product number 5. Ravente Weather Stripping. Rounding out our list is the Ravente Weather Stripping Door Seal Strip. It's a highly versatile, multi-purpose adhesive foam tape that works beautifully for sealing standard door frames. It's manufactured from a high-density, closed-cell foam that provides excellent insulation against cold air, heat, and moisture. The material compresses easily when the door shuts, ensuring a completely airtight seal, even if your door frame is slightly warped or uneven. I appreciate how easy it is to work with. The backing peels off smoothly, and the adhesive creates a strong bond on wood, metal, or plastic surfaces. It also acts as a great protective bumper to prevent your doors from slamming loudly against the frame. This roll gives you a simple, cost-effective way to reinforce your home's energy efficiency. It's an incredibly reliable, everyday weatherproofing tool that requires absolutely no technical skills to install properly on your own.
Regarding price compatibility, All 5 of these products fall within a very affordable budget tier, making them low-cost investments that pay for themselves in energy savings. The Grow Theory draft stoppers are an incredible bargain for sealing the bottom of your doors. The Up & Fun felt and Raventine foam offer fantastic mid-range value for the amount of footage you receive. The Li-Tie-Bai Kerf Seal and VITAM AMO Rubber Strip sit slightly higher in price due to their specialized designs and heavy-duty materials.